would provide you good marks because you have paid 10,000 and 15,000 rupees. After that, you would be get good marks. And if you would not give that much money, they would not provide you. If I talk about private school student better than compared to government school student because government school student does not do study. Okay. They don't do study about himself. And if I talk about private school student, they do study well compared to government school. So how can you say these things? And if I talk about government school, every person can afford it because there is not that much fees. And if I talk about private school, there is that much fee. Hello everybody, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. Today we are going to debate on this topic. The topic is government school versus private school. Which one is good and where should we study? And if you have to some questions where should we study, you may drop me a message on into the comment box. So now we are going to debate on this topic. So if I talk about myself, so my name is Noordin and I am from UP. And if I talk about my English, I have been learning English since last 1 year. So now I am going to take it to my friend. Then he would tell you something about himself. Then after that we would be continue.
Hello guys, if I talk about myself, I am happy and I am from UP and I have been learning English since last 8 month and today we are here and we are going to debate on private school and government school, and he is in the favor of government school and I am in the favor of government school.
Private.
No, government.
Okay, you are in the...
Sorry, I am in the favor of private school. Okay. Now, I would like to tell you something about private school. If you are a private school student, you have lot of knowledge about any subject. But if you do study in government school, they teach you in Hindi medium, and if you want to gain any degree after your 12th class, you need to English because private school provide all syllabus in English, only one Hindi subject compulsory, and you can learn their new things. But if I talk about government school, you can't learn new things there because they are not provide that type of things.
So let me tell you one thing. As you mentioned, if you are studying in a private school, they would not teach you in Hindi Madhyam, means Hindi medium. Who said you these things? I have seen when I used to study in my childhood. At that time, there was 2 to 3 schools in my childhood time. Still now, they are in my village, but they are providing Hindi medium content. So how can you say these things? And if I talk about government school, every person can afford it because there is not that much fees. And if I talk about private school, there is that much fees. You have to pay much rupees if you want to take admission. Yes, too much rupees, and every person can't afford it. I have seen many people in village life. If I talk about villages, every person can't afford. Every person can't let study to their children because they are poor. They belongs poor family. And if I talk about government would provide you everything like food and books and means whatever you want, government would provide you free of cost. Only you have to pay only 70 to 30 rupees per month only. That is not big amount. And if I talk about private school, you would have to give almost 1 to 2,000 rupees,
Okay.
up to 10,000 and 20,000 rupees per month. You have to pay. It's depend.
school.
Yeah, it's depend on school. What kind of school and what kind of facilities are they providing?
If I talk about private school, only they are fees too much there. But if I talk about government teacher, they are lazy about study. They don't teach student. They use uh, they they are lazy more and more than, and they can't understand properly to student. They are not comfortable with Hindi medium student. And if I talk about private school, they are they are very beneficial and student with student, because they are not lazy, and they teach every day to student,
Okay, let me
and
tell you.
they can help with student properly, and they can understand what are they student saying to them.
Okay.
Yes.
But if I talk about government colleges, there is all type of facilities. Government are providing all type of facilities, and as you said, government teacher are lazy. They don't want to tell. They don't want to teach us and children and kids. But who said these things? I have seen many government schools. They are providing this type of facilities, and they are teaching well,
Yes, yes.
even though they don't take any rupees that much
Okay.
from them, from their children, from somewhere else. And if I talk about private, they are taking that much money. And if I talk about result, and if you have give a uh, paper and exam, if I talk about 12th exam and 10th exam, government would provide you your uh, hard work number. And if I talk about private, they take that much rupees from you, and after that they would provide you good marks, because you have paid 10,000 and 15,000 rupees. After that you would be get good marks, and if you would not give that much money, they would not provide you this type of facilities. I have heard about my teacher. There was a teacher, I don't want to mention his name because this is not good way to mention, but he was telling me because he used to teach private school, that's why. And he said private principal, he take that much money from children.
Yes.
And student, and after that they provide good marks, and they gave their marks to their college, like they were copy check, who check copies, they they give to them money,
Who checks copy?
who check.
Oh, that you are. Okay. You are talking about private school take rupees to increase marks. Yeah. Yes. Who told you that is not a good thing for us? Because that is not a good thing about student. Because if we can do it, student can't teach, because they know I can gain numbers, I can increase our marks to giving fees to teacher. I'm talking about it. But if I talk about government school, they do these things in half yearly exams, and they can understand who is teacher, who is student good, who is bad. They can understand it, and they can't give mm, uh, they can't give too much marks to bad student. They use it think. This is my point.
Okay. My question is, can every person afford a private college or not? Private school means. And if I talk about government, every person can afford it, because this is not that much capable and that much money. They are not asking.
Okay, if you are government school student, if you are government school student, you can't understand. If I talk about private school student better than compared to government school student, because government school student does not do study.
Okay.
They don't do study about himself. And if I talk about private school student, they do study well compared to government school student, and they can understand everything from himself. I'm talking about private school student. If I talk about government school student, they don't understand things properly, and they leave their class. They leave their class every day. And if I talk about government school student, they never do these things, because they can understand. It is it is important our life, and what are they studying there, they can understand. But the government school student does not do that thing. Whatever doing private school student. That was my point.
Let me tell you one thing. If you are a government student,
Yes.
you can study, and I have seen many students who are topper and who are going to get good marks and who have already get good marks. And if I talk about, as you mentioned, many government student, they don't want to take classes, they don't want to take their offline classes daily basis. So how it is possible? I have seen many private school, and if I talk about there, many student, like how do they go? Like many student go by bus. They reduce their air in the tire because they don't want to go to college. That's why in school, that was the reason I have seen. And if I talk about government private student, many private student run away from the school. Why? Because they think that we don't want to study. And if I talk about all student, only few student can study properly, and few student are studying properly. All student can't study, and they, even though they don't want to study, many student are wasting their time, and they are doing something like they are working only, they are spending their work, because they, some students are going there for girls, they are not studying well, but they have other work, like they want to have a good gf, that's why they are working, they are doing these things, they are going to college. And if I talk about private government, every student are not fake, but every student can't study, but most of the student who wants to study, that's why they are going there, And if I talk about, as you mentioned, government school provide english syllabus, means everything in would be in english. And if I talk about government colleges also have this type of facilities in delhi, in our local area also, there is available this type of facilities. If you want, you may go, and you would not have to spend that much money, you can study properly, and government teacher would provide you everything whatever you want. If you have some question, you may ask properly. And if I talk about private college, sometimes private teachers, they don't want to teach properly, and sometimes they say I'm busy because they have some work. But government teacher also has some work, but they don't want.
How can you say like this? They government school student, private school student does not do their work properly. They can do everything because they have mind and they can use it. But if I talk about government school student, they don't know what are they doing his self. They don't know. They can do unnecessary things. And if I talk about one thing, they can't respect to teacher. If I talk about government school, but in private school student, they can respect too much our teacher. uh, what are he teaching them, they can respect because they know about who is teacher. And if I talk about government student, they don't know about who is teacher, they don't know, they don't know, and they can't understand the teacher words, and what are they understanding to student. They can't understand it because then they don't know what who is teacher and what I am doing here. Only they know I am here and I am naughty person, this like things.
But it is also apply in private college. I have seen many student, they don't want to teach, they don't want to study, from the teacher, and they say he is not my teacher, he is not our teacher because he doesn't teach properly. This type of question many student ask from teacher. And sometimes when the teacher teaching, while teaching, at that time teacher student says who, like this way sound, means that is unnecessary thing, and they do in private school also. And if I talk about private school, so we can't study properly there. And if I talk about government, you can do whatever you want. And if all students are studying properly in government school, so why students are taking coaching somewhere? if they are studying good. And if I talk about private, many students are studying properly and they are taking online classes and offline